What's up YouTube? It's your boy YouTube Blurry, and today we're here with a review video for you guys. Today we got the Dual Coil Babeless clipper and trimmer for you guys. What the clipper looks like. Turn it on. Nice blue, nice little click lever here, click lever action here. And then this is the trimmer. See, it got the two coils inside, blue LED light. It also does have a Halo charging station, but that charging station is at my shop. I'm at my house right now, so I just took these with me because, you know, why not? And these are a real powerful clipper, I'd say. You know, taking down bulk like nothing. These balled out like nothing. Like, you don't even need a shaver, if I'm really being honest. You just, and that's it. And I do not advise putting a ball line with these clippers like this, because that line is gonna be hard to take out because these here's off the box. One thing that Babeless did too, they zero gapped them for you, so you don't even have to touch the clipper, do nothing. Yeah, you don't gotta touch the clipper at all. Already comes zero gaps. These don't come zero gap, but they're still really close. Like, to be honest, there's no reason for you to zero gap these either, because they're 920 RPM, so there's really no, these clippers are powerful. But only one thing that comes with the power is if you leave them on for a long time, the blade and the clipper gets a little hot, you know. So that's just one thing. Like, you can't use these all day because it will get hot and you will feel it, and your client will certainly feel it. These do not use with kids, the trimmer, at all. They'll be, oh my god, I tried it with the kids, just don't do it. And I'm really light-handed too. That's the thing. And yeah, you're gonna see some clips up here with me using them. And yeah, just a great, phenomenal clipper. Babeless, you did your big one with these. To be honest, bro, like, yeah, they might be expensive, but I feel like they're worth it. Like, at least if you're like on the edge about it, just get the trimmer first. If anything, get the trimmer for the clipper, because yeah, there are good, like, this is a really good clipper. But if you like the Instincts or the T-Pop or the Unknowns, like light clippers, this is another clip for you. This clipper, it got some weight to it. You know, it's kind of on the heavier side. So if you're like a senior guy, you like the other Babeless clippers, not the low pros though, because those are pretty light. If you like heavier type clippers that are effective, these are perfect for you. But if you're more, you like light clippers, you know, so you could just flow and flick out real easy. I won't say they're not the clipper for you, but there's gonna be some getting used to. And yeah, but the trimmers, I say these are for sure up there with the 245 trimmers. These are like 1A, 1B. I still gotta use these a little bit more just to figure it out. But balding, these are the best balding clippers, or balding trimmers. Like, no question at all, no question at all. And I'm gonna have like a little video up here of me showing cutting hair. But yeah, these are also really expensive clippers, like $600 clippers, bro, for both. I mean, one is like 3 something, but for both it's gonna put a little hole in your pocket, you know what I'm saying? So if you're like the tech savvy, you know, you like with the new and improved things, go ahead. But you know, if you're like the, you know, stick to my go-tos, or if you think $600 too expensive to drop on some clippers, then, like, if you're on the fence about buying them, just don't buy them, or just buy the trimmer. Because I'm telling you, in about a year or two, if nothing else crazy comes out, this is gonna be the trimmer. This and the 245 trimmer, these are gonna be the trimmers that are be running the whole barber game. You know, yeah, you got the sabers, yeah, but they're nothing like this. I promise you. I promise you. These are the best trimmers out, no doubt. Nothing. You could argue with the wall. These are the best trimmers out. The clippers, no, they're still really good trimmers. Don't get me wrong. Do not get me wrong. These are still phenomenal clippers, but I feel like this for me is gonna have to get some getting used to. They do have the magnetic guards. I do not have the guards with me, but those guards, chef's kiss. Those are by far one of my favorite guards, especially. I would use them with the 360 GZs. These guards with 360 GZ clipper, I don't know why they didn't make blue guards for those, but that's a whole another topic. But it matches with the accents and the whole aesthetic. But you know, these are fire clippers, and I'm gonna load up the clip for you guys right now. Me cutting hair and doing all that. So yeah.
Listening to Crazy Radio. You are listening to Crazy Radio. You are listening to Crazy Radio.
Those are, you know, the videos I showed you, you know, the two little haircuts. And yeah, if I were to rate these out of 10, the trimmer, I would rate it a 9.5 out of 10. The only reason why it's 5 points out of being a 10 out of 10 is because the blade gets a little hot. That's the only reason why the blade gets hot, is because such a high motor, you know, all that friction creates heat. So, you know, you can't really complain about it. You kind of already knew what you signed up for when you got these, because you know it's a high RPM. So knowing that, you know, if you leave it on for a long time, it's bound to get hot. But 9.5 out of 10. These The clippers though, I rated like an 8 out of 10, you know. Still really great clipper, you know, love it. But, you know, I just feel like there's other clippers better on the market. But if you're watching this, I did ordered another pair. So I have another pair of these. I'm gonna do a giveaway / or raffle, I don't know yet. But in order to be a part of it, you must be following me on Instagram. You must be subscribed to the YouTube. I'm gonna have a post on my Instagram for, you know, more details, but just make sure, you know, if you want to be ahead for the raffle, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube and make sure you follow me on Instagram, which is E2Blurry, same thing as my YouTube, you know. And yeah, I will have updates for the giveaway / raffle. You know, I don't know which one I'm gonna do yet. Actually, comment down below if you guys want me to do a raffle or just a giveaway, you know, either or, just let me know. And yeah, E2Blurry with the Dual Coil Clipper review. Hope you like it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, follow me on IG. I'll see you guys next video. Peace out.